Built-in types are core types provided by C# and the .NET runtime. These types are predefined and available for use without requiring custom definitions. Built-in value types are types that directly hold their data in memory, typically on the stack. Examples of built-in value types include int, bool, and char. These types are predefined by the C# language and .NET runtime. In addition to built-in value types, the value types category also includes user-defined types like struct and enum, which are types that hold data directly in memory. Built-in reference types are types predefined by C# or the .NET runtime that store a reference, or memory address, to the actual data, which is typically stored on the heap, not the data itself. Examples of built-in reference types include string, object, and dynamic. Reference types store a reference to the data, on the heap, rather than the actual data, which is stored on the stack. Reference types also include user-defined types, like class, which are reference types defined by the programmer. Value types and reference types describe how data is stored and how it behaves when passed around in memory. Built-in types refer to the specific types provided by the language and runtime, such as int, string, object, etc. Built-in types are a group of predefined reference types and value types provided by the language, excluding user-defined types, such as classes, structs, and enums.